In this video, we will see that how we can go ahead and create an invert in your purchase transaction. So earlier, the invert option was in transaction timeline in create document. Now we have made it more simpler and more easier. Let's go to our transactions module. So this is our transaction dashboard, which will get open in front of you. Now I will open this particular purchase transaction, which I have created earlier. I will show you that how you can go ahead and create an invert. So there are two options through which you can go ahead and create an invert. On your right hand side, you will see an option of create document. Click on this and you will see an option of create invert document. You can also open this PO document, and on your right hand side, you will see a direct option to create invert. Let me show you that. Please have a look. You will get an option of create invert. You can simply select this create invert option and the invert document format, which will get opened in front of you. So all the details will be fetched from your document, previous document, and also from your buyer and supplier module. You can very well go ahead and just cross check each and everything. So current delivered quantity is 10. I can just check, and then after I will click on this save and send. So once I will click on this save and send, my particular invert document will get created. So this is how we have made the invert creation more simpler and more easier. So you don't need to go in the transaction timeline. You can simply go ahead and create the invert and also create the GRN directly from the document. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day.